Hi everybody, here we are today with another KittyWitty journal. And if you saw my last video, it's a Christmas Sunday video. It is, of course, showing my Christmas KittyWitty junk journal. And these particular ones, I forgot to mention, they are called KittyDori journals. So anyways, I want to show you one that I had gotten, and this is when she did her spring collection. Okay, so let's start with this. This is a little extra that Amy included in my purchase. They are little paper clips that you can bookmark either a book or your traveler's notebook. Pretty spring colors. This one's kind of a cottony chenille type fabric. So these are super adorable. So she included 3 of these, which I love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, and here is the packaging. And you can see the McCalls pattern. Yes, I believe we have the McCalls pattern. And pretty string here. So let's take a look. I hate tearing this package. I need to be more careful. Adorable. These blues and yellows, so super cute. So let's take this away. And we can adore this beautiful, beautiful McCalls pattern KittyDori. Again, she's got the young girls. Do any of you remember wearing these kerchiefs in the rain? They were like little plastic ones that came in little pouches. My mom always had one in her purse, and every time it rained, she'd hand it to me, and I'd put it under my neck like a little kerchief. It was so much fun. I can still smell the plastic. So here's the back. Butterfly. So let's take a look inside. Here I've got the blue pom-poms that I'm so excited about. So these were done for her spring collection. And again, when I went to see if I couldn't purchase one, it was like lightning fast, gone like in a minute and a half. And I think she had 6 or 8. I don't know, but I was lucky because this is the one I wanted, and I actually got it. So I'm really thrilled. Her color choices are so pretty, and everything's so nice and neat. And Little Miss Muffet. I'm not going to talk a lot during this. I'm going to just let you enjoy the pretty patterns that she used and how she put this all together. It's like eye candy. And again, when I get ready to start writing in these KittyDoris, I will bring them back and share them with you. These teals and blues, these remind me of my mother. Thank you, friends, for joining me, and I hope you liked this journal. Again, they're called KittyDoris. I always say journal, but they're KittyDoris. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this KittyDori from KittyWitty Papercraft. And again, if you want to check them out, go see her Instagram called KittyWitty Papercraft, and you can see all the fun things that Amy does and sells. Thank you. Goodbye.